This is a well-defined and analyzed data in Microsoft Excel, and this is my current worksheet that is consisting of this data set. Now, as an Excel user, there are some times you want to view your data within your worksheet. That is, if you want to have a clearer and better view of your data in your worksheet, then this video is going to be of help, because I'm going to show you 3 ways you can zoom in and zoom out. That is to create that kind of clarity environment in terms of viewing your content. So the first approach is to utilize the menu bar, and this is the menu bar, and we have a particular tab that consists of our zoom in and zoom out option, and that is the view tab. Now when you click on the view tab, you have this ribbon that relates to the view tab, and there's a particular group in this ribbon which is the zoom group, and we have this command known as the zoom command. It says zoom to the level that's right for you. For zoom in and zoom in, use the controls in the status bar, which is also another option we are going to get into in terms of the zoom in and zoom out option. So when I click on this command, this provides me with this zoom dialog box, and it says magnification. That is to magnify your window to a particular view that is going to be right for you. So we have 200%, 100%, 75, 50, 25, and also we have fit to selection, and we have custom. Now currently I have settled mine to 110%, and when you move to the status bar, that is what we have on this particular bar. Now if I choose 200% and click on OK, you can see that now my content or my data in my worksheet has zoomed into that particular percentage, which might be right for me. And if that is not right, I can move back and then choose a different percentage and click on OK. And as you can see, I am zooming in and zooming out. Now if you are set to a particular percentage and you want to switch back to the 100% mode, you can move back to the zoom group and choose 100%. You are going to have the 100% level of your zoom in option. Now when you choose this, you can also enter a value in this custom field, and when you hit the enter key, this is going to zoom into that entered value in that custom field. So this is the option on the menu bar under the view tab, which is the zoom group, which allows you to zoom in and zoom out your content in Microsoft Excel. The next approach is to move to the bottom right corner on the status bar, where we have the zoom slider, we have the zoom out option, and also we have the zoom in option. Now the zoom in option represents the plus symbol, while the zoom out option represents the minus symbol. When you click, I am zooming out, and when you click on the plus sign, I am zooming in, and relatively you will see that these numbers are changing based on the symbol that we click, which is the minus symbol or the plus symbol. So this is also an area which can help you to zoom in and zoom out your content in Microsoft Excel. The pro tip, which is the last tip I want to share with you, is to use the keyboard and the mouse. Now when I hold down the control key on the keyboard and use my scroll wheel, that is to scroll up, I am zooming in, scroll down, I am zooming out. And this, you have to make sure that always your finger is pressed on the control key on the keyboard. Then you use the scroll wheel on the mouse to zoom in and out. So these are the practical illustrations in terms of zooming in and zooming out your data set in Microsoft Excel and having a clearer and better view. Please like, share, and also comment for future videos. Thank you, and see you in the next tutorial.